Hi all, welcome back to OMiT Digital Roundup. This week we are talking about Facebook Blueprint certification, which helps you to enhance your career and also your business. So if you are a Facebook advertiser by profession, then there are certain things which you should know about Facebook Blueprint certification, which is happening in this digital world. Well, I am here to talk about today Facebook Blueprint certification. Basically, Facebook Blueprint certification is given by Facebook itself, and you have to write 2 exams in order to get 2 certificates. And those certificates are one Facebook Blueprint media buyer and one for Facebook Blueprint certificate for planner, so media planner basically. So if you are a media planner, then you have to go through these exams which is provided by Facebook, which helps you to become certified professional in digital world. Alright, so stay tuned for more updates. Next week I'll come up with what exactly these exams are. I'll give you detailed information and how to write test and what is the cost involved with this. Right, thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos with our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Follow OMiT in all social media channels for more information. Thank you so much, guys.